It has finished in the end 1-0.
Get in there.
Heroes out there for this team, and they're all in the back line.
Yeah, I mean, they
Thank God for that.
in front of shots. They did anything that they had to out there. Really brave.
Thank God for that. We won by a goal to nil.
So it's full time with a final score 1-0.
Played so much better than that one. So much better than the away team, Nottingham Forest. That's what we came for. So we're still at, well, 8th position, not too bad. Got some prize money. Oh, that's nice. Right, so quickly look at the table quickly. So you got Cardiff on 16, Middlesbrough 15, Leeds, Fulham, Norwich, Birmingham, Watford, Wolves. So there's only like 4 or 5 points in it. Which is good. Excuse me. So Rotherham away then, guys. Oh. Alright, play that kid. Right, we need to do something about this. What have we got here then? Let's play Henry then. Give Henry a game. Right. Hurry up. Doherty will come in. Let's play McDonald. So there you go. There's the team for Rotherham. Rotherham United. So we'll see how we get on with this one. So guys, welcome to the show. If you just joined us, how we getting on? Hope you enjoy the show. It's a race to the Premier League for Wolverhampton Wanderers. Hopefully we can get there. We hope.
Hi there again, everybody.
We can only try.
And Alan Smith's with me for this championship game.
Yeah, well, Martin. Really
Smith, is it you join the show?
Rotherham United.
Thanks for stopping by, mate. Appreciate it.
Wolverhampton Wanderers feeling good about their own game, looking for another victory. Last time out, they won at home against Nottingham Forest.
It finished 1-0. It was quite a close run affair, but I think they are capable of following up with another win today.
On the
Let's do it, guys. Let's do it.
Maybe not a bad decision for the manager, because he probably needs a rest. He's been out of touch, really.
Yeah, you can't argue with that decision, and I think somebody else deserves an opportunity in his place to really do themselves justice.
Kevin McDonald. Haris Vučkić.
Oh! Thought we were going to score there.
It's the old cliche, isn't it? Class is permanent. He's got the class, but form is...
Bang!
The header. The header, and a super save.
Well, he couldn't have headed that any better.
That was so unlucky. Keeper. Keeper.
Goalkeeper. It's his
I
ball.
know. Oh. McDonald. Bath.
Haris Vučkić. Committed himself here. There wasn't much cover, but he got all the defender in the wide
Keep going,
position.
keep going. Ben Pringle.
Richardson.
Get there. Oh, great defending. McDonald.
Good control here. Quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team.
Tackle again. Good tackle again, guys.
Now back to throw. And Richardson. Flicked out wide. Good ball to stretch the opposition.
Oh, no. Ah. I don't believe it.
What a celebration that is, and why not when you finish full time like that?
Jesus.
Just on the
Typical, that is. Go by one.
Well, he's walked around that defender without trying.
And the cross comes in now.
Oh, come on.
He's controlling the play here. His teammates just borrow the ball for a few moments and then give it back to the main man. That is Ustkic. Henry. Fabulous clearance.
One on more.
And a slide tackle,
Come
very
on.
successfully done. And now a throw-in.
So we're down by a goal to nil. That's
Rowe.
not good.
Touch off the player.
Come on.
Out. That is Ustkic. Now they can use some width. That's a good pass.
Come on.
Richardson challenged quickly by the opposition. Trying to up the ante, the visiting team here.
Oh, you're joking me
8 points in the
now.
last 5 league games. If they can get another 3 today.
Well, then it begins to look a little bit more respectable, but they need to